En vi från Kalifornien. Välkomna till Malmo University Transport Management.
We refuse to wait for positive change in our cities and their design. We choose to take action. The California-based organization Smart City Developers is proud to present a seminar that serves as an international exchange of research and ideas. Each year, Smart City Developers and the Department of Transport Management and Sustainability at Malmo University join forces to exchange studies, research, and innovative solutions from their respective regions. This collaboration culminates in the SCD-Seminar, where groundbreaking research and insights are shared. SCD-Seminar 2025 invites students, educators, professionals, and community members invited to participate and attend the event. This is an opportunity to learn from Sweden's advancements while sharing California's sustainable initiatives, fostering a mutual exchange of knowledge and innovation. Join us in shaping the future of sustainable cities.